Introduction to PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software application for making presentations using both text and graphics. With PowerPoint, you can organize and display information in a colorful visual format and also create visual aids for presentation. General steps you need to follow while preparing a presentation include creating and editing slides, adding enhancements to slides, saving, running, previewing, printing, and closing a presentation. Creating a presentation. Click Start. Click All Programs. Click Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. A slide appears on the screen. The layout of the slide is by default title slide with the Office theme. PowerPoint is similar in many ways to the other Office application software such as Word and Excel that you have read already. However, since presentation software includes both text and graphics, PowerPoint has some special tabs, menus, and commands that are not found in Word or Excel. PowerPoint has a unique capability of creating a slideshow, including animation of the text and graphics. Suppose you want to create a presentation for the meeting agenda of Sunshine Ad Agency. Let us begin with giving a suitable title to the presentation first. For giving a title to the presentation, click in the area where Click to Add Title is written. Type Sunshine Ad Agency Meeting Agenda here. Now click in the area where Click to Add Subtitle is written. The text alignment here is center by default. To change it to left, click the Align Text Left icon in the paragraph menu in the Home tab. Now suppose you want to give 3 bulleted points in the subtitle area. For doing so, click the bullets icon in the paragraph menu. Type Launch the new product as the first point. Press Enter. Now type Remake the existing ads as the second point. Now type Brand Promotion as the third point. Your presentation containing one slide is ready. You can now move on to the topic, saving and renaming a presentation. Saving and renaming a presentation. Now let us save this presentation. Click the Office button. Click Save. This is the Save As dialog box. It has by itself entered the title of the presentation, Sunshine Ad Agency Meeting Agenda, in the File Name Edit box. Click Desktop to make sure that the presentation is saved on the desktop. Click Save. The presentation is saved as Sunshine Ad Agency Meeting Agenda on the desktop. You can also rename this file. For doing so, right-click the file. Click Rename. Press the Delete or Backspace key to clear the previous file name. Type Agenda. Click anywhere on the desktop. The file name is renamed as Agenda. Opening and running a presentation. Now let's see how you can open the existing file, Agenda. To open an existing presentation, click the Office button. Click Open. Click Desktop as you had saved the presentation on the desktop. Click Agenda. Click Open. The presentation agenda is opened. Now let us run the presentation to view the slide as it would appear in the presentation. click the Slideshow tab. Click From Beginning in the Start Slideshow menu. This is how the slide will look in the presentation. Click anywhere on the slide. As there are no further slides in the presentation, the message End of Slideshow, click to exit appears at the top of the screen. Click anywhere on the screen. This brings us back to the normal view of the slide. Viewing and closing a presentation. PowerPoint provides a variety of options for viewing a presentation. The normal view is the default view and displays two tabs, Slides and Outline. For changing it to the Outline view, just click the Outline tab. This is the outline view of the slide. Microsoft PowerPoint also allows you to view the thumbnails of all the slides in the presentation. This view is known as the Slide Sorter view. You can use the Slide Sorter view to change the overall look of the presentation by adding, reorganizing, and deleting the slides. To display Slide Sorter view, click the View tab. Click Slide Sorter in the Presentation Views menu. Slides in the presentation are displayed as thumbnails on the screen. As there is only one slide in our presentation, thumbnail of only one slide is visible on the screen. To go back to the normal view, click Normal. We are now back to the normal view of the presentation. Let us now close this program. Click the Office button. Click Exit PowerPoint. The PowerPoint program closes and takes you back to the desktop. Adding a video clip to the slide. You can insert sound, music, or video clips in a slide wherever you want them to play during a presentation. You can either choose the audio or video to play automatically when you move to the slide, or to have the sound or video start only when you click its icon during a slideshow. Let's see how to insert a video in your presentation. Click the Insert tab. Go to Movie in the Media Clips menu and click the drop-down button. Click Movie from File. This is the Insert Movie dialog box. Click Lake. Click OK. Click Automatically. The video clip is inserted in the presentation. You can also preview the clip to see how it will appear in the presentation. For doing so, click Preview. This is how the clip will look in the presentation. This brings us to the end of the topic, Microsoft PowerPoint 2007.